Dental implants on a budget, Turkey versus Europe. Dental implants are a popular choice for those looking to replace missing teeth and improve their smile. However, the cost of dental implants can be quite high, especially in Europe. This has led many people to look for more affordable options, with Turkey emerging as a popular destination for dental tourism. In this article, we will compare the cost of dental implants in Turkey and Europe and explore the differences between the two options. Cost of dental implants in Europe. Dental implants in Europe can be quite expensive, with prices ranging from A1,000 to A3,000 per implant. This cost does not include additional charges for consultations, X-rays, and medications, which can add up to the final bill. In countries like Germany, France, and the UK, the cost of dental implants is particularly high due to the high cost of living and labor expenses. This has made it difficult for many people to afford this treatment, leading them to look for more affordable alternatives. Cost of dental implants in Turkey. Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism due to its high quality and affordable dental care. The cost of dental implants in Turkey is significantly lower than in Europe, with prices ranging from A500 to A1500 per implant. In addition to the lower cost of treatment, many dental clinics in Turkey offer all-inclusive packages that include flights, accommodation, and transfers, making it a convenient and cost-effective option for international patients. Quality of treatment. One of the main concerns for patients considering dental treatment abroad is the quality of care they will receive. In Turkey, dental clinics are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and adhere to strict hygiene standards, ensuring that patients receive high-quality treatment. Many dentists in Turkey have received training and accreditation from reputable international institutions and are experienced in performing complex dental procedures such as implant placements. This has helped build the reputation of Turkish dentists as skilled and reliable professionals. In Europe, dental care is of a high standard, with many countries having rigorous regulations and licensing requirements for dental professionals. However, the cost of living and labor expenses can drive up the cost of treatment, making it unaffordable for many people. Travel and accommodation. Another factor to consider when choosing between Turkey and Europe for dental implants is travel and accommodation costs. Turkey is easily accessible from many European countries, with direct flights to major cities like Istanbul and Ankara. In addition, the cost of living in Turkey is lower than in many European countries, making it a more budget-friendly option for international patients. Accommodation options in Turkey range from budget hostels to luxury hotels, catering to a range of preferences and budgets. In contrast, traveling to Europe for dental treatment can be more expensive, with higher flight and accommodation costs. European cities like Paris, London, and Berlin are known for their high cost of living, making them less affordable options for dental tourists. Conclusion. In conclusion, Turkey offers a cost-effective and high-quality option for those looking to get dental implants on a budget. With lower treatment costs, top-notch facilities, and experienced dentists, Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism in recent years. While Europe also offers excellent dental care, the high cost of treatment and living expenses can make it a less accessible option for many patients. Ultimately, the choice between Turkey and Europe for dental implants will depend on your budget, preferences, and treatment needs. Overall, dental tourism in Turkey has become a booming industry, attracting patients from around the world with its combination of affordability, quality, and convenience. Whether you choose to get dental implants in Turkey or Europe, it is important to do thorough research and choose a reputable clinic to ensure a successful and satisfying treatment experience.